Good morning, traders. It's 8:23 Central on Monday, the 15th of September, 2014. I apologize for the delay. I guess I just didn't hear my alarm this morning and had a late night last night, so I apologize for coming in late and running behind here. We're going to run into the open. Real quick, there's not much to report overnight. Eurozone July trade balance. 12.2 billion. Consensus was for 16 billion. Also, I forgot to do the risk disclaimer. Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors. My personal opinions, market data, and recommendations subject to change without notice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Russia gas flow to EU via Slovakia lowered by 20% today versus September high. U.S. Empire manufacturing came in at 27.54 versus 15.95 expected. U.S. industrial production just came out a few minutes ago at negative 0.1 versus plus 0.3 expected. Looking at today's calendar, we have this looks interesting. Okay. So looking at today's calendar, we have it looks like I have the wrong calendar. So again, my apologies. Just getting behind leaves me behind. But today we have what do we have left? Really nothing left in the U.S. The calendar is pretty clear from what I see for the week. However, we do have a couple of items, a couple of key items. On Wednesday, the 17th of September, Bank of England minutes, 3:30 Central, FOMC rate decision projections and press conference at 1 Central on Wednesday. That's going to be very, very key. The key element here is that many expect the FOMC to drop the considerable time language from the post-meeting statement, and some expect the dot plot to show more dots shifted to summer 2015 and a climb in the long-run rate path. You could see a reaction there, or a market expectation already when you look at the treasuries. On Thursday, the 18th of September, the Scottish referendum on independence takes place. The referendum on Scottish independence will finally be held on Thursday, with polls closing at 8 British Standard Time. Initial polls expected overnight. Final results around 7 a.m. British Standard Time on Friday. Most recent polls indicate that the no camp is back in the lead, but the wafer-thin lead, leaving the risk of a yes vote, and this risk has been partly priced into the rate of the British pound against other major currencies. So that's a key one to watch. We had on Thursday we have also the Swiss National Bank monetary policy and the ECB LTRO announcement. Friday. Remember, this week is expiration week. Don't like trading expiration weeks. To be honest, they're not the best weeks for me. But we have Friday, we have Alibaba's IPO. And then we also have quad witching on Friday as well. So look out for that. As far as the technical picture, on Friday, we had some interesting setups. The market basically tested the area that I talked about. If you recall, I said that the most valuable price in the area is 1987.50. And what happened on Friday, we opened on the edge of value high. Against Thursday, we went right to 1987.50 and we dropped from there. So essentially what we did is we tried to push up against the microcomposite point of control to the tick, and we dropped off. The expectation was we would push to the other side of value, then chop around in here, find the base, and then turn up and start moving towards 89.75, 92.25. Still anticipating new highs on this product, not seeing anything to indicate that the buyers are exhausted. In fact, if you look at this chart, you'll notice that the market has been buying up. Look at this delta here. So right here is a new day, this thicker vertical line, and you can see that the market's buying up the delta on the close. So you have buyers here, and it's in large amounts. Here the market bought up almost 40,000 contracts more on the offer than on the bid. And then at the end of each day, this is the end of the next day, buyers, 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 and then on Friday, buyers on the close. It seems like the closing range is finding buyers, and it's been going on for some time. If you look back, you'll see buyers on the close. So overall, not expecting this to be. I'm not seeing this as the market falling or whatever. I see it as the market just being in balance and testing both sides of the fair value area, and that's where we are. Okay. This morning, looking at the overnight session, basically tested below Friday's low. Friday looked bullish on the close. Here we're opening in about 10 seconds. And then it found buyers, and it's back to the point of control from Friday. So I'm expecting a choppy open. We'll see what happens here on the open. There, the market's open. And I know a lot of you will drop off, but we'll do this while we're online. We might as well go through the open here. So here we are opening right at the point of control. Closing prints at 76.50 below, and the expectation is for a choppy open, looking for a retest of 75, and then I'm expecting the market to find a bid below around 75, 74.50, and then to start rotating back up towards the mid-east. So that's really what I'm looking for today. Yeah, on Friday we did not have value at all. Just a very stretchy, thin profile with a lot of volume going on right where we opened here. So I expect it to be a choppy trade. There's nothing driving the market as far as economic releases and so forth on the open. So I'm not seeing anything to drive this. I'm going to look for a reaction around 74.50. I expect it to come back to this 77 quarter area. It's building a point of control here early on. You can see that it's not going anywhere, and I expect it to be fairly choppy. The opening swing high, let's bring this down and start tracking the opening swing. So the opening swing so far, 77.25, 76 quarter. No dominant force here. Not seeing either side pushing. I'm not seeing a higher time frame either. It's a fairly quiet opening. So choppy opening is expected, and standing by. Looks like the financials are dropping. Looks like transports are weak. Techs are strong. I believe Apple's strong coming into the day. So we'll see if we get follow through there. The market breadth is gapping up and selling. So market breadth is relatively strong but selling. So we'll see what happens here. If it's not able to hold the 74.50 area, then we're looking for new lows. Okay. I'll leave you with that. I apologize for the kind of a messy broadcast today, but you know, beginning of the week. Good luck today, and watch your risk. Take care.